Right, fantastic morning. I'm Rason. You're good. You're some net 12. So, say, I beg you, my currency. And I'll pay so you see a concon. You're Joe Bam, your name, my Kubina, dear Sia Concon, come once a match over me producers. I said, Joe Manucho, and of course, Bernard Padibu. Check. Emakwaba Kidwana Kasani Erica see do body party in the park den bass on the 26th of December and Tishane Somame Camido Kwampa Band Kwabena Bobo Banyu to Fobe Brina Eba Mia Jenny as usual send a Phoebe no Abri Botanical Gardens on your family name Rana Yanshimum and 200 cities for a family of 60 pension mutua 200 room beji and near Ekoji in Ebi or more than Kuala Pika. You've been busy throughout the year. And see, I think we see no now name Kualano and so Adom Jibuna Bibia sweat me Ako ye Badwam eba mixture and then of course golden eba mixture and ideal heba and it came on pay in some day ebrewo and Badwam eba mixture me man madra e ma wa nyatenka abodwuma na hwansi ho so ye nipa nyebare na bi collect yourself kakra na golden eba mixture so aboa malaria no so atu edi afiwo eba na Samsung eba no iPhone Nokia smart TVs eba no CCTV cameras bobo menko eni nyina no obenya no ewo Franco Trading Enterprise na esa bibia timi akoye ede amawo cheap esan ye papa enti omoso mo ye promotion kranti fa ho gym nipa nsare eba to bim concert afi bim economy ensa I just say a basso den now we're the beach edition yes we're BIM Festival 2024 you're gonna ye share with La Palm Royal Beach Hotel what it ya say BIM Afro stage na the timisi Stoneboy basso and 3 p.m. na gate na be 7 p.m. na stage, you know, in a back-to-back performance, some more affiliate. It's a beach edition, pa Jimo and open will be at 050-155-0000, 050-155-0000. Na kwambia so ne omo atwetwe enkomo Kejwana Kasani Erica see where be makwa enra Manchester Hodro Basso in the Carabao Cup quarter final Arsenal about Crystal Palace by 3-2. Newcastle Tenerife about Brentford 3-1 and Southampton Tifi Liverpool Kobono 2-1 ama or qualify for the next round of the competition. Yankore send results this way. Enti I don't know the course so enra games are hot anymore but in the league Monaco and Tenerife Paris Saint-Germain born Kanaya one team it was a big game and important but Paris Saint-Germain team come talking of Carabao Cup quarter final and a match back ebe Baswa and easy Tottenham Hotspur versus Manchester United ebe sana sa game but you go pm na yen share senior French League 1 de nekoi and so I know the course so the French League anymore Shaden Somame so and Europa Conference League course and Chelsea jina kono Chelsea jina mu den against Adom now moko hwehwe mu na hwe Lask na wobo na one other teams dey be so or the apem so Hearts and the Petrol Club and so at the Boni na Finsuroland and Ghent and so at the Abomo Chelsea ni Shamrock Rovers and Ebo in the Europa Conference League edition and so sa FA Emma Chelsea Ebo against Shamrock Rovers now yemfioni okopimo wa Intercontinental Cup wa Real Madrid enra ojane na so bogumo ewo Dubai and oche team efi Mexico efreno Pachuca ebono kamiansa want to be answer likes of Vinicius Junior Kylian Mbappe wa moya adwuma no netipa enra ewo sa tournament anymore babesi the FIFA Club World Cup the former 199 the champions of the various continents nishia ebo sa tournament ya final no eba be pm ho anymore no now the other one FIFA Club World Cup no yasesa no no to say more teams na ebe boy born next year enti ama we no so different from no enti we 2024 Real Madrid 5th trophy omaji and so and no Carlo Ancelotti coach awaji trophy do pa ediama Real Madrid in Real Madrid history BIM Festival Basso we the 9th edition Basso den to ticket star 714 star 24 hash star 714 star 24 hash Stoneboy jina stage so anya sam ketwa open chemo bia na say opeso bisa enema bia 050-155-0000 BIM Festival everyone sama no sanso na party in the park so basso say BIM no at the end 22nd na party in the park and so pass on 26 ewo Abri Botanical Gardens ya kwaji ani wo hono and 200 cedis for a family of 6 mumrami kwaji ani menye ja ho obenya ticket ne be Joy FM front desk ya multimedia Adom TV ya front desk ya benya bi na kwambia so no wato golden eba mixture and a what my eba mixture so can one pain ideal at the ejina mo den eba remedy for malaria and of course what my eba mixture mo jana so me vitality libido ne beba me patro what my heba mixture and take a shot so sa and so fa me ya kan sa no na Franco Trade Enterprise phone papa fee any ho yamra fee me heard ya koso fee now member of parliament for the Dio constituency yentime inaugurated the new parliament in the nice or no one gusu gina ma honorable Nilante Vanapoy no den nsem to dwa say aban foforo ba no e so man ani e boxing hu yi pass and the boxing sport ba kwa ya short say with magic medals e am my Ghana.
I think as a nation, if you look at these records, boxing has achieved a lot for us. They've raised the flag of this country even more than football. But we don't give it the attention it deserves. Out of the 5 medals that we are talking about today, 4 from boxing. That should tell us that if we could give a percentage of the attention we give to football, to boxing, and other sporting disciplines, maybe this country will not always be languishing at the last position on the table or medal table at the Olympic Games. We may be squaring it up with Americans, the British, the Australians, and the Chinese on the medal table. I believe seriously that if we want to really achieve much in sports, we must be ready to invest in the sport. Mr. Speaker, coming to this, let me also say this. All these people passed without any serious notice. But for this august house, celebrating them through a statement, nothing. Nothing. And by this time, we should have monuments. Monuments to remember the future generation of the exploits of Iquote Senior, Eddie Blair, Prince Amati, and the rest. And I will be happy if instead of the president's statue at Efiam Kwanta roundabout, we have Eddie Blair statue there to tell people from the Western region that it is not a Kokrani alone who exhibited wonders in boxing, but there was once an Eddie Blair.
All right, Honorable Nilante Vanderpoint in some there to a jaw or the floor of Parliament. And so, and no, not why I'm Piazza, the see president statue there. And Kaya de boxers need be statues, you can be Pania. Now, yeah, co-president of Ghana Lettuce also Danuato and Samuimo Echimo say, a CDC cash a lettuce mupa, a lettuce also be Boamia medals. Now, no Olympic Games, you're quite quantifiable. It's ahead of the next Olympic Games, a banner. Your first can shame you with me, aqua medals, that I'm on my Ghana.
My goal for Ghana Athletics is I indicated during my inaugural speech that I still believe that and I still have the hope that Ghana Athletics will win an Olympic medal during my term of office. I still have that belief and I'm working seriously towards that. What I can just say to the current government or the state of Ghana is that people have started putting money or started preparing for the Los Angeles 2028. We should not wait till 2028 that we're struggling to see whether we'll qualify or will not qualify. An Olympic medal or World Championship medal is not won in a year. Preparations start now. And the preparation should not be left for the federations. The state has the stakes in how national team prepare for the Olympic Games. Olympic game is so huge that if we leave it for federations to prepare for it, we will never get there. The federation can get the athletes, the federation can get the coaches, but the federation will lack the financial muscle to be able to get the athlete to where the athletes want to be. Australia, they are doing it. UK, they are doing it. Kenya, they are doing it. Why can't we do that? So our preparation for the Olympic 2028 should start 2025, not only by word, but it should also be by deed. If the state of Ghana give her resources, Ghana like to give her resources every year, between $500 to $1 million a year, I can guarantee it that 2028 Ghana will win a medal at the Olympic Games.
Is that a message to the incoming government?
I'm referring to the state of Ghana.
Wayne, the Moraba for senior dear to a grant, Sani Aban so responded to ne plea what they are to no. Yeah, kind of sad on Ocean so mammy said this weekend so the Ghanaian Premier League in Asoti, it was so prepared a chassis back to back, a chassis feeder. Near TSM Kakra, and I draw the bio honomo, could debut at Twatwasosa, and House of Folk Nebetiano feeder, or the University of Ghana Stadium against Brecum Chelsea, and the Anshan so and so, and no more. Matadia Shemi Minum say, Obu, any prepare, image wear, and a share Matadia image wear across social media, image wear GH, and Mashe, Memashe, long sleeve or short sleeve or the upper saw Yama be beautiful designs, and image wear by the amount from 05465 45211 0546 45211. Now, an image where Nikomana on sort out. My catch your social media image where GH. Yes, Instagram ne Yanum image where GH. Yarobesi said John Manocho Bernard Padibo Trey and producers. Manyan and Tiesama Bimupua. The Chosen Hospital. Yes, Wajak by winning important. Tetegu 18 more than Majiba Biaboso. And they're doing a wonderful job for Mother Ghana. A very huge facility. Moji Enipankwa and Nanomoni Mumba Moji Monkwa. Yes, the Chosen Hospital. Doctor, do fantastic morning going out to you. Namisha Moj Mapamo Eyemo, the Chosen Hospital. Correct pa. I'm saying I don't see now I'm sharing song. Say a party in the park. Mrs. Same Pepe say ya. Na me bomu say ya kwaji any party in the park. Kamido ba, kwampa ba, kwabena ba, many more for so ba. Actually, many more for no quarantine America and a family of 6. Na mutia 200 the pet number room 26 December and a basso Abri Botanical Gardens and 10 a.m. near Chassis and some Ketwa Crab. Can't wait near Kodro FM family in the park. About the Papa Franco Train Enterprise Nokia and I face Samsung, iPhone, smart TV, tabletop fridges, I face air conditioner, hold CCTV cameras. Oh my goodness, Nina when you do a Franco Train Enterprise 40% discount and a Franco for Brian Nababe Jodi and Tempaso and Play Store and App Store, download the app and no credit a content crime me at so from 0246 422 338 0246 422 338 and 055 593 9311 Franco 4 and number for Bia ASN. Now I tell you about a golden about mixture about remedy malaria at the FE and Emma Honky cow. Yes, so we have no blood tonic after ding na ya bibia shim man me manyinanom golden about mixture. What me about mixture and so ma wagina nice so constipation. I am team ye feel be ma begina na so ba obegina nice so amo wager from 0243 173 388 0243 173 388. Okay, she and I watch eba Repatch Herbal and I feel Halos Herbal. Now, if you talk about it, Mensa, go for the Abenya or Gapson Pharmacy, Benal Pharmacy, Coco Hillside Pharmacy, or Usco B, also be Ordan or Cheniba Chemical. Also, be an idea about phone golden about mixture, and what's my about mixture and be not what to do and Beam Festival. Yes, Stoneboy will be on stage on the 9th edition of Beam Festival. In Tishan Sosa, FAM May 22nd December, and a Baswala Palm Royal Beach. Hotel, away at the beach edition. To ticket star 714 star 24 hash star 714 star 24 hash. Now also do a ticket in term. Emunche will be after 050 155 0000 050 155 0000. Nyom to ni be a baby. Na Stoneboy appropriately need pa patcho a Beam Festival and so FMI. Regina so na yeden samono at the seat. Me we say ya wonim say Mrs. Fiaman kwatama kro e de space beto aso e de apomode won sama ba e wi ade aka so beba keju ran kasa ne yere kasa edu body cause wa hebedwam